All right, so the chapter 3 is we're talking about mean, median, and mode. Okay, so we're looking back at the stuff we used in chapter 2. All right, which in chapter 3 we learned about what? Stem and leaf. Is that what we learned about? So then we made this stem and leaf graph that we've never seen before because we didn't do it in chapter 2, right? Actually, I showed you in chapter 2.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway. It's been so long ago, I know. It's been like at least 30 seconds. So then we did all this stuff, right? Found the shape, found the range, found the class, found the relative frequency. We're going to be using relative frequency a lot, every chapter. Boom, 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 bang, boom, bing, bang, boom. Okay, but the next step is to learn mode, median, and mean. Okay, all the averages. Now, when we talk about average, we talk about the average. Everybody thinks the mean is the only average out there. Okay? When a commercial comes on and says the average, people, they could be talking mean, median, or mode. Okay? Because those are all averages. It's totally legal to use any of these as an average. Okay? But the mean is the hard one. That's the one where you have to add all the numbers and then divide them by the number of the numbers. So what that means is I have to add all these up. Believe me, that was harder than it looks. Okay? And we came up with 5,459. Okay? And so we took that 5,459 and we divided it by the number, not the relative frequency, but the total amount, the total number of those numbers, right? However many numbers there were, right? So we said, hey, that is 5,459 over 70. And when we divided it by 70, we found it to be 77.985, blah, blah. And what this does, this 8, 9, this 5, turns it to 78. Okay. It all depends. You want to round it to the 10th, to the 100th, to the 1000th. If we rounded it to the 100th, it'd be 9. If you rounded it to the 1000th, it'd be 7.986. It is all up to you. Okay? Alright, so I'm looking at 78. To the nearest 10th, which is 78.0 actually, because we did do it to the 10th. Okay? Now, the median, that's the middle number. I'm going to show you the easiest way. What way?
Easiest.
Oh yeah. Okay? The easiest way to find this middle number. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start at the bottom and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. Now, which way did I start? At the top or the bottom?
Top.
Okay. So, started here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And then 1, 2, 3. Shoot, did I do the same amount? Right? Where am I at now? I'm lost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good. So we're at the same amount. Doesn't matter where we are because we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Could you go by 5? Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now here's where it is. Okay? Now we're getting to the middle. The middle is these two. So it's 80 and 80. So we're going to add those up, divide by 2, and guess what we get? 80. Okay? So the median, if you have an even amount of numbers, which we did, right? We had 70. Then there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. And you have to add those 2 numbers up. Okay? So it's either this middle number plus this middle number divided by 2, or it's just the middle number. Because if it's even, okay, if it's odd, there's just going to be 1 number in the middle. Does that make sense? Okay? And so what we had was 80 plus 80 divided by 2, which is 80. And so that's our median. Now we're going to take a look at our mode. What number comes up the most? Right? And it's a really nice graph because we can go into it and go, well, look, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there any more numbers that come up more than 6? And I thought, ooh, maybe there's 3, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I was like, dang it, okay? So basically that's it. So the number that comes up the most, right? The number that comes up the most is the mode. And in this case, it's 80 also. Okay? Just coincidence. Not always the same, believe me. Rarely ever the same. But in this case it was. Okay? So, good? Nice. So I just wanted to get that down on video. Because we also need to talk